Hi guys, this is Sukanya Rana. So Civils Daily is introducing a 3-day workshop which is going to take care of your 4 basic needs of prelims, mains, current affairs and strategy making for the next 7 months. Now these sessions will be held from 11th to 13th November. Please mark your calendar with respect to it. They will be held both in the online format as well as offline format. So please be here if you are comfortable, as well as you will get the online link. For these sessions, we are bringing our topper IPS Areeba. Now she secured All India rank 109 in the recent civil services examination. And she's got a good story where she's got ups and downs in her story. So she'll let you know how to strategize your prelims, mains and finally your interview preparation in the next 7 months, so that you clear civil services in the first attempt. So IPS Areeba is going to highlight some major themes and major strategies that should be inculcated in the next 7 months of preparation. So she'll be here on 11th. Make sure you do attend this session. After that, we've got our mains, which is covered by me. I take care of the mains session, and we'll be dealing with answer writing. We'll be taking up some topper copies. We'll be having some comparative analysis of how toppers' answers are different from those answers which do not score well, right? Then after that, we'll be having sessions on current affairs and note making, which will be taken care by Dimple ma'am. And finally, our Tigdam lecture taken care by our mentors at Civils Daily, who will be talking about prelims and its preparation. So I think it's a complete package, and I think this 3-day workshop will definitely bring a lot of improvement in your preparation for Civils Dailies. All you got to do is go in the description box. There will be a link where you're going to register, and through that registration, you'll get the links with respect to this webinar, as well as you'll be getting some good notes, PDFs that will be provided from the official documents of Civils Daily.